Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a faux locs wig. This how it looks like. It's a closure faux locs. So if you're interested to know how to do this, how to achieve this, you have a faux locs that you don't know what to do with it, or you are intending to buy faux locs, then this video is for you. So now this is faux locs I'm going to be using. This is how it looks like if you have not seen it before. So the tip, I've detangled the tip of these locks, and I'm going to be using it for a purpose. The detangled locks, I'm going to be using it for a purpose. Now put in your wig cap on your mannequin head. I'm pointing out where I'm going to be picking with my foundation. I'm spacing it out because I don't want it to be a kind of bushy, like too full. This is the closure that I'm going to be using for this wig. And if you don't know how to make a closure, how I made this closure, then visit my channel, click on the subscribe button to be part of the family, because this is what I do mainly. I have some videos that I've ventilated a closure, so visit the page, visit my channel and watch some videos. Now I'm going to be sewing this round. I'm going to be sewing the closure around the cap. Then after that I'm going to be cutting out the excess cap. And at the back I'm going to be using needle and thread. I'm using my needle to put the thread to the wig cap. Basically this is what it's all about. Put the thread and cut. For the thread I'm going to use the locs with the thread. So watch and see what I'm going to be doing with it. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing with this thread is that I'm going to use my detangled locks. I'm going to use it and braid the thread. Meanwhile, there are so many methods to achieve this wig. There's so many of it, and I'm going to do most of it in this video. The first one is to use the detangled locks to braid the thread. The second one is something similar to the first one. As you can see, I've cut out some of the detangled locks. I just cut some parts out, and I'm going to be doing almost the same with the first one, which is to braid half of it. And this one I'm going to use the detangled locks to braid half of it, then use thread to tie it to the end, like tie it to where the thread finishes. At the front part, I'm going to be braiding it again. I'm going to be braiding like the first method, braid it, then tie it. I'm measuring now to get the equal measurement of this. So measure out and cut cut out the excess. Then the last part, I'm going to be doing a thread method. I'm not going to be braiding in this one. I'm going to be doing a thread method. Okay, so this how it looks like. This the front. This how it looks like. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment on what you think about this wig. If you're interested and you want to purchase this wig, visit the description box and click a WhatsApp link to message me direct, and the price will be in the description box also. See you in my next video. Bye.